Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and I'm here to share with you the new digital files. Now, I know I say that every time, but oh my gosh, am I ever excited about these? They are film strip, and for this week, they're the 2-inch ones, and they're almost 11. We couldn't make them exactly 11 because they will go off the page. Now, I have to tell you, the first time I printed them, I tried to push the limits, you know what I mean? Because in your printer settings, you can, change the size. And so what I did was I tried to push the limits, but it was printing off the page. So I left it at the size, that he designed them to be. But let's go through. They're sold individual and in a bundle, and the bundle automatically you get 40% off. So here we go. Here is the blue film strip, and what I really like is he did on the side there, like there's some extra stuff, like and each film strip, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the camera, but it has some texture. I love it. So the blue, with all our files, let's say the blue files, well, there's always been 4 tones. So he did one for each tone. And what I love is that normally film strips are black, right? But sometimes you just want one that fits what you want, the color that you want. And so here's bright orange. Here's brown. Here's green. Here's light gray. And we're going to have them in different sizes too next week. Here's more yellow. Here's orange. And here's peach. Here is pink. And they're super easy to cut out too. They do have like the little divots here because I didn't want just a straight line. So I really like that. Here's purple. I think it should be this way because it goes from lightest to darkest. And then here's red. Oops. Here's rose. And this was one of these things that I wanted in all the colors because to me, this is a foundation thing. This is a die cut that you can use in a foundation. So I wanted it as, in as many colors as I possibly could. This is rose. Oh, I love that color. Here's this is gray. The other one was light gray. This is dark gray. Just put in the wrong place. And what I liked is the darkest one. What he did was, at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I like that. But it's kind of different because it's black, but then it's got the lighter sides here. Just for something, I don't know, it looks cool to me. Once I gave it like a second look, I was like, yeah, no, I want you to keep it that way. And this is this is mint. It's in the wrong spot. This is mint. So this is the exclusive one that my patrons are getting tomorrow. Oh, I love it. So the silver and gold members are getting this tomorrow. Love it. And then there's turquoise, and you can see the difference. This is definitely more on the blue, and this is definitely more on the green side, if you look at it. And then you have yellow. So that is our like traditional colors. And then we have our assorted files. So we have apple and oranges. We have Cozy Cafe, which, as you can tell, I've already used one of them. And I thought I'd give you a little sneaky peeky of the layout I did for my patrons. This month we're concentrating on stamps. So this is one of the layouts that we did. And here I used that film strip right here in this bundle. And I just, oh, I love it. Love it. That is a perfect element for a great foundation. And, you know, you can cut them and use them as a strip and then, you know, put words in here, put some journaling. You could even cut some little pictures, you know. Oh, I just thought of something like put them going down a page like this, you know, and then putting some of them with words, some of them with pictures. I think the possibilities are endless. Now, for Cozy Cafe, you get 2 files because you get 8 colors, so we couldn't do it all on one sheet. So 2 files for Cozy Cafe and 2 files for Pastel Paradise. 2 files. And just so you know, we don't double the price. It's still $1.99 and it's just like a bonus, right? Just like a little bonus. So this is Pastel Paradise, which, oh, I'm falling in love more and more with Pastel Paradise. I'm just saying. Radiant Rainbow, 2 files. Seasoned Spices, 2 files. And Summer Carnival. Okay, so that's it. That is the new digital file in our shop this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.